Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Students, how are you? Fine. Yes, our university has JP mantra, that is clean, green and happiness. So be happy, smile please. Now, as per our session, today I am going to discuss derivatives from Newton's Gregory's forward polynomial. Please note once the topic derivatives from Newton Gregory forward polynomial. I hope you have listened these two names, Newton, as there was Newton first, second, third law in your primary level, secondary level study, and there was a Gregory series in your trigonometry. I hope you have gone through that series during your complex number study. If you have not seen, then you should see that what is Gregory series. Here in the interpolation chapter, the topic interpolation, these two scientists, these two mathematicians, Newton and Gregory, both have given a concept. As you have seen that the method of difference, the backward difference and the forward difference, formula given by mathematicians. Here we have to discuss derivatives from Newton Gregory's forward polynomials. We have to discuss about such derivatives. We have to discuss about those derivatives which have been taken from polynomials, not by anybody else, but by Newton and Gregory, using the concept of forward difference and backward difference. So before starting this topic, you are advised that you want to see the basics of interpolation, the basic of forward difference, and the basic of backward difference. Now, remember this interpolation, Lagrange interpolation, as we have discussed, and this derivation of constant A naught, A1, we have already done these things. This is the example of Lagrange interpolation. I have already discussed this topic in the previous lecture. This is Newton interpolation polynomial. with equidistant points. And this is Grigori-Newton forward difference approach also. As you are seeing on the screen of the computer, that the concept of interpolation that was given by Newton by taking a polynomial with equidistant points. The same is under the approach of Grigori-Newton forward difference approach. Very often, it so happens in practice that the given data set like xi, yi, and the value of i's is whole number size 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n, corresponding to a sequence xi of equally spaced points. We can assume that this xi as x naught plus ih. Remember, as since you are talking about equidistant points, means the gap should be constant. So remember the concept of arithmetic progression, where there was a first term and there was a common difference. Then the second term was what? The second term was as x plus b. First term plus common difference. This is like that. We can assume this assumption is xi is equal to x naught plus, this is first term, this is common difference, like that. For for the sake of understanding of this concept, I am taking it away from this topic to the arithmetic progression, so that you can remember that how your assumption has been taken the shape, and it has xi is equal to x naught plus ih, where x naught is the starting point and h is the step size. Step size means, as I told you, like common difference. Further, it is enough to calculate simple differences rather than the divided differences, as in non-uniformity placed data set case. These simple differences can be forward differences or backward differences. Means the factors you are taking is consequently increasing in the forward direction, that is forward difference I have already discussed. And the factors, first factor, second, third, fourth factors that are in the descending order of magnitude. And that was the backward difference. I have already told you that you should once revise that forward and backward differences. We will first look at forward difference and interpolation polynomial based on the forward difference like this. First order forward difference is given by this. This is the difference. And the second order is what you have applied here. Delta square fi. Then here is delta fi. Apply here. Delta on this term and on this term. And the third, if you are finding the third order forward difference, then this will be delta q, this will be delta square, this will be delta square, and finally, if the kth order forward difference you are taking, it will be delta to the power k fi as defined as like this. Since we already know Newton interpolation polynomial in terms of divided differences, to derive or generate Newton interpolation polynomial in terms of forward differences, it is enough to express forward differences in terms of divided differences. Now recall this formula as divide difference. There is no need to emphasize on this because we have already discussed and you know well about this. And by the definition, you substitute the value of this and this, you can get like this. The forward difference interpolation polynomial may be written as follows also in this form, like this sigma or this is the value of pi from 0 to k minus 1 like this. This is known as Newton-Gregori's forward difference interpolation polynomial. Students, I hope that you have understand that what is Newton-Gregori's forward polynomial and what is derivative from Newton-Grigori forward polynomial. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In case of any query, you are suggested that you write your query in the comment box. I will resolve your query if you write anything there. Thank you very much for listening and for enjoying this lecture.